everybody, it's Mindy and I have some fun things to show you today from One Day Savings. This is part one of 2 parts, okay? I have a bunch of stuff. I think I mentioned it before. They went on their holiday and they said order some extra stuff because, you know, we're going to be off for a little while. So I'm like, sure, okay, yeah. All right, so let's show you what we have here. All right, let's move it to the side. And it was funny. My husband was watching me today, and he's like, what are you doing? Why are you unbagging everything? I'm like, because people don't like to sit here and watch me take everything out of the packages. So I get them out now, and I flatten them and, you know, make them more presentable. So, yeah. Anyhow, this is my first item. Love it. Special drills. Yes, special drills. So this is on wood, as you can see. Painted black on the top or stained or whatever they do. And look, it says, welcome, welcome, welcome. And we have little gnomes all up and down. So isn't that cute? There's some hearts here. They're not actually heart drills. They're made with individual rhinestones, but I think it looks mostly like rhinestones. I don't think I see any like special shaped stones on there, but it's all wood. I love making these. These are so much fun. And then they just go in the little holder like that. And then they just sit out as a cute little decoration. I love them. They're fun. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, let's look at the drills. Now, there's no legend that goes with these off-canvas projects. So you just look at the bags. Like this one says I. So I will be all of the beards, of course. So that's a white AB. Kind of cool. Red rhinestones, purple rhinestones, pink rhinestone, orange, green. That is black, regular black drills. Let's turn them over. Oh, there's a couple little slivers there in clear and red. Oh, yep, like right up here. Right here will be some slivers in this little area. And, I don't know, someplace else. Anyhow, super cute. I love it. Love, love, love it. So that one, I mean, it looks a little Christmassy with the hats that they have on, and then there's snowflakes, but, you know, it could work for multiple seasons. I'll just say that. Okay, let's set you aside. You go over here. What else did I get? What else? Okay, save that for a minute. Let's look at this guy. This one looks really fun to do. I like this one. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Let me end just a little. Oh, not that much. Hang on. I like that. The mailbox. We got a blue jay, a cardinal. That looks like an Oreo maybe, or I don't know. And we got the fence. It's cool. I like it. We got flowers growing up. Love it, love it, love it. We're definitely going to have some slivers. All the blue flowers here, the pink flowers, the blue flowers, all of these are going to be slivers. Guaranteed. But it's going to be pretty. There's 13 different drills. Let's see what they have. Again, this one doesn't look like it has a lot of special shapes. All I'm seeing pop out is those 11s. Well, if you count the slivers. Slivers are special. That's for sure. All right, what do we have? We have clear rhinestones, green, red. These are not rhinestones. They're just black. This is like a grayish color. Light orange, darker orange, several blues. Blue, blue, blue. Here's those 11s that go on the leaves. And then there's those pink and blue slivers. Somebody said that they placed their slivers with a multi-placer. And I thought, that I have never tried. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe I'll give that a go someday. All right, what's next? What do we have next? Okay, we're going back to Christmas Town a little bit here. But I loved these. There were several of this style. They're all kind of offset one way or the other, lanterns and all kinds of pretty things. I like that one. I hope I didn't get the lantern already. Maybe I did. I don't know. 12 different drills. Look at the 12s are going to be special. 11s, 9s. Those are going to be larger ones. Love it. It's going to be really pretty. With love. So some of it's not drilled. Like with love is printed. But most of this gets drills on it. most of it to get some drills. Okay, let's look at them and see what we have. 12 of them, 12 different kinds. I can't resist Christmas stuff, just, even though it's not Christmas time. I don't care. Do you care? Okay, here's 1 and 2. 1 and 2 came off. They're separate. A clear and a red. And then there's another red. This is like a gray color. It's really hard to explain what they are. They're kind of grayish. Light orange, black, green. Okay, so we have some gold balls. Love those. Some white pearls. And a little bit of slivers, red slivers. Not too many. Larger gold and large red. Love those. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That should turn out very nice. Love it. Okay, got a couple more. I know, there's quite a few in this order, actually. Okay. All right. I had to get this one. I just had to. It's Special Drill. Come on. No, come on. Yes, he's Care Bear. I don't know who's in charge of Care Bears these days. If there's a licensing company, I don't know, honestly. But they're everywhere. I don't even know if they're I don't know. Just, that's all I got. I don't know. Clear, pink, orange rhinestones. Look at that lime green. That's pretty. Purple, yellow, another pink, a blue. Look at, oh, we have blue shards. Love that. Where do those go? Oh, they're going to go here around this flower and up there. That's cool. Then we have some yellow marquees, some larger pink faceted, and purple teardrops. Love it. Love that one. I just loved the colors. I loved everything about it. I don't know. I was a huge Care Bear fan. Like when my kids were young, we loved Care Bear stuff. Just, Okay, this one's a larger one. This is one of those AI images, I believe, with all the pinks and all the flowers, and they're just random. Like you got houses and stuff here, but then you have these huge flowers growing in and amongst the houses. I thought this one looked like a toilet for a minute. I looked at this one and I'm like, there are going to be a ton of slivers. This is all covered with slivers here. This bush, these trees back here are all going to be slivers. But then look at all the 7s, which are larger, 6s, which are larger. So, I'm going to have to work with these slivers and see what a good way is to place them. What is the best way? Maybe just the way I've been doing them. Just with my little single placer. They pick up with a single placer just fine because they're really small and they're light. So we have yellowy, green, one pink, another pink. I love that pink. That's my favorite. A blue, and that's it for the rhinestones. There's only 5 rhinestones. Then we have some larger greens, and those are going to go like in the center of that flower, you can tell. These are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Those 7s that are everywhere, okay, they're not pink. They're not, I don't know, I don't think I've ever had that color before. They're lighter, they're very purpley colored, definitely iridescent. What is that right there? Can you see that? What is that thing right there? I don't know. But those are gorgeous. Those are going to be so pretty. And there's our pink slivers. Lots of pink slivers. Like I said, all of these bushes, this one, and this one, all get those slivers. Woo! It's going to be pretty. I mean, it'll definitely be pretty. Okay. Last one for this part of my order. Now, here's what their toolkits look like. I saved one out. Look at, we have stuff sticking out. It's coming out already. It's coming out. Okay. Gearing up for Easter here with this one. There's a toolkit. Here's a base. They seem to always have this base now with this blue and yellow. I don't know why. I wish that the bases coordinated better with the piece that's going on it. This one's not bad. I mean, that's not bad, right? Because it's just floral. So it goes in here. I still don't know why there's 2 of these. I really don't. But this peels off It's not sticky underneath, I don't think. It peels back, though. I'm sure it does. Okay, hang on. Hang on. I don't think it's sticky under here. I think it's just clear. I'm making a mess, but because if they stuck together, that would make sense, but they don't. No. I don't know why there's two. You don't need two. I just have ever used just one. This one's sticky. This has a film on it too. I don't know. Honestly, let me know if you have ever figured that out. But look, it's just a cute bunny butt. Cute little bunny butt. These are all rhinestones, rhinestones. I think the only thing that's special is the 18s. That'll be fun to do though. It's cute. Love it. And that can just sit around and decorate your home for Easter. Or any time of the year you'd like, really. It's just a bunny, right? Bunnies aren't exclusive to Easter. I have a bunny all year round, right? So here's our colors. We have a clear, several pinks. Pink, 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 pink. This is like a yellowy color, sort of. A couple greens. Look at that. That's like an olive green. That one is. That's interesting. Blue and blue, peach, light blue, green, blue, and teal. Love it. Pretty. All right. So that's what I have. Oh, wait. Hang on. There's our special ones. There's our 18s. Those few larger drills right there. That's what I have to show you today. There will be more coming with the next order, so be looking for that. And I hope you enjoyed. I will link all of them below. If you are interested, you can go looking and find some for yourself. And if you have an excellent way to place these slivers, let me know how you will place these slivers. I mean, do you see how little they are? Look, they always make flowers. So they'll go around. Whenever you see little flowers like this, they go around all the little petals, and then there's usually something in the center. That's a lot of sliver work. It is. Anyhow, let me know how you do it. Okay? And I love that color. That's so pretty. Anyhow, that's what I have today. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, they'll be linked below. And I'll be talking to you soon. Bye everybody.